Good day, everyone. My topic is about precautionary measure before, during, and after a typhoon to safeguard ourselves, our families, and our communities. Here are some of the precautionary measures that one should observe before, during, and after. Precautionary measure before a typhoon. Roof and window check, strengthening the house, supplies preparation, emergency kit creation. Document security, and staying informed. Precautionary measure during a typhoon. Staying indoors. Evacuation awareness. Avoiding electrical hazards. Updates from evacuation centers. Water safety, and checking on family. And precautionary measure after a typhoon. Electrical safety inspection. Home damage assessment. Family safety assurance, and community support and volunteering. Let's get started on how we can prepare for the next typhoon with resilience and strength. So, let us come together as a community, share insights, and empower each other to stand strong, ensuring that we not only survive but thrive in the face of adversity. This report is credited and generated through Canva AI application. Once again, thank you for listening. This is Ariel M. Armada.